Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, November 22nd, 2024, and we're going down with QQQ. Inverted H, inverted H, inverted H, oscillator agreement. Inverted H, lightning to the downside.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half of our gains, and if this price drops farther, I expect it to come down to the point of control, which is roughly around 504.25, 504.50, because that was the last time we hit that level and we accelerated to the upside. So depending on if that happens, we might get that point of control area, or we might even have it come down to the low of the day. If it comes down to the low of the day, if not beyond, we'll just close out. If not, as you can see, it's already reacting off at that 504.50 area. If it comes back down to that area again, we will punch out. If the price doesn't run down fast by bar open, we're only going to wait a second or two and we're going to punch out. Hold on, right?
Order filled.
And there's a $1.80 move today, ladies and gentlemen. This is probably going to settle, so we might go up with the market, maybe $1 or so. But if this price comes back down to this level, it will not hold. It'll probably go to the low of the day and or beyond. So I expect some kind of acceleration to the upside and then come back down. So we're going to prepare to get into a call position, see if we can get $1 out of the ride. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, never forget, be a pro.